Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the new color release from Solido for the Dacia Duster at the 1/18 scale. This model was released a while ago in green, and now they decided to make it in white as well. In the front everything looks pretty good. We have some mounting points that can be seen, which is not a great thing. We don't have perforated grills, and also we have the new Dacia logo, and also we have the Duster license plate as well. On the side we have the wheels, again looking pretty good. We have the brake calipper and brake disc as well, and we have brake drums in the back. In the back of the model we have the stop lights, which look pretty good, the wiper, also we have the tow hook and the exhaust, again looking pretty good. Underneath the model we also have the spare wheel and the exhaust that goes all the way to the front. Let's open the door. I don't really like to open the doors on the models from the side mirrors because they can break, but this one seems sturdy enough. Inside everything looks pretty good. I think there are a lot of details on this model. We even have Duster written on the seats. Again, being a Solido model, we only have opening front doors. Also we have Duster written here on the seal as well. Let's open this side to check the passenger side as well. Again, everything looks pretty good. I think for a Solido model it looks quite decent. Of course, being a white model, it has some unpainted parts or some white paint which is not evenly, or black paint which is not evenly painted. But again, this is a Solido model which costs under 50 euros, so I think in today's market it looks pretty good. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this model, and what other model do you think Solido should release.